Those with curls or waves know the struggle of finding the right routine for their curls to seem happy. It is really easy to overcomplicate things, but the trick is to keep it very simple and minimal. They say curly hair has mind of its own, and that's true. Curly hair may be very difficult to manage, but here is a specialized solution that I'm going to spill for you, and this is my minimal wash day routine with Earth Rhythm. I'm Varsha and I am a wavy curly head person. So I know curly hair can be very difficult to manage and can be a struggle at times. So here I am going to share my minimal wash day routine with Earth Rhythm to ease down your wash day results and look beautiful in your curly mane. The first step is to take Earth Rhythm Murumuru shampoo bar, which is specifically designed for wavy and curly hair. It is a solid shampoo bar, and the main ingredient of this shampoo bar is murumuru butter and vitamin E. Wet your hair thoroughly and moisten the shampoo bar in your hands like this. It foams really well and really quickly to be ready to be applied on your hair. Easy to apply it on your scalp, work it up in a thick lather by using the pads of your fingers. You can apply the shampoo bar directly on your hair strands, or you can work it up in a lather and apply like this on your hair strands. It softens the hair strands and also provides a little bit of conditioning to your dry hair strands. The second step is Earth Rhythm Solid Conditioner Bar. It is enriched with argan oil and Jamaican black castor oil. I believe that these lists of ingredients is what make this conditioner bar a very popular product. How to apply Earth Rhythm Conditioner Bar. Wet your hands, rub the bar on your palm. Keep on rubbing until you get a gooey and oily paste. Emulsify the conditioner really well. Run your palm on your wet hair. This conditioner also has shea butter, which is a den of moisture. It also has grapefruit essential oil, which is a natural way to make hair aromatic and also helps to detangle hair. It has no added color or unnecessary fragrance to the formula, which is indeed incredible. The third step is Earth Rhythm Heal Hair Serum. You have to emulsify the serum, apply it on your damp hair, which will provide shine and will prevent tangles on your hair. Apply the serum in praying hands technique, then slowly scrunch your hair strands. Scrunch your hair with the hair serum twice or thrice and you are done. And here are my results from minimal routine with Earth Rhythm products for curly hair.